Hi, if you're new here, my name is Samantha and welcome to my channel. Today I will be going over my luxury bag collection, so please stay tuned if you are interested. This is the first luxury bag I own. It is from Chole and it is called the Calfskin Quilted Faye backpack in all black in size small. I got this bag back in 2020 in their outlet store. The retail price is $2,110, but I got this for $1,055 and this is excluding tax. I like how you could extend this bag with these zippers if you need more space. I like to leave the stuffing in my bag to keep the structure of the bag and when I am not using it and storing it away. There are two pockets inside, a zippered one and a non-zipper one. I love how versatile this bag is. You can wear it on your shoulder or you can wear it as a book bag. The book bag straps are adjustable as well. The whole Faye collection is actually discontinued, so you cannot purchase this in store anymore unless you buy it secondhand. My next luxury bag purchase was a Gucci bag, which I got back in 2021. At that time when I purchased this bag, they recently came out with a new bag slip cover, which is this brown one you see right here. But they also gave me their old style one just to see which one I like more. I personally like the old style. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. This bag is the Gucci 1955 Horsebit in all leather in brown sugar. I got it back then for $1,590, but the current retail price is going for $1,800. And I believe they actually don't sell this color anymore and they only have the all black leather. This is when I knew I fucked up. I store my bag incorrectly and as you see it left a mark in the back of the bag. So I'm trying to fix that and make sure I store it correctly from now on. If anyone knows any tips on how to restore that, please let me know because it hurts. There's a small pouch in front of the bag where the Horsebit is, and in there I usually slip my phone inside. And when you open the bag, like I said before, I like to leave the stuffing in there so it keeps the structure of the bag in place, and it has a zipper pocket inside. The straps are adjustable, so you could adjust it to your choice of length. The next bag was a spontaneous purchase back when I was in Hawaii in 2021. This is the Louis Vuitton multi-Pochette bag in all black leather. When I bought this, it cost me $2,100, and now the retail price is going for $2,840. Everything is detachable, so you could mix and match on how you want to wear this. You could wear it all together, or you could remove the straps and only have one strap attended. The black strap is adjustable, so you could wear it as a shoulder bag or you could wear it as a crossbody bag. My next and last bag to my luxury bag collection is also from Louis Vuitton. This is the Louis Vuitton Boulogne bag. I got this back when I was also in Hawaii in 2022 for $2,150, and now it is going for $2,370. There are 2 zippers and also 2 straps, a chain strap and the regular black strap. The black strap is adjustable, so you could also wear it as a shoulder bag or a crossbody bag. At this point, you can realize that I like my bags to be versatile, so I could wear it in multiple ways. The straps are detachable, so you can always stitch up the straps if you want to.